When I was in US on the sports visitor program, we went and saw one NBA match. So there we went to see that entire stadium tour. I never saw such type of sporting facility in my life till now. We were able to go there and watch, sitting in wheelchair itself. We were able to comfortably watch the match. And second one is definitely being a person with disability, accessibility part. So wherever we went, all the places are accessible. Most of the places, even outside on the roads also with wheelchair we can go easily. And another thing, all the toilets, that is the really biggest challenge for me. But in US, wherever we went, everywhere, no need of holding nature calls, we can use the toilets. So accessibility, definitely I liked it very much, and we can live more independently.